Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video, the black belt level form, Nanquan Southern Fist. Let's go! Welcome back. So in this video, you will see 3 times for each part we're learning. First time with full speed, the second time we'll step by step with the details, and then last time you will see the slow motion. First move, both hand on your waist. Twist your right, open your both hand, open your fingers, and squeeze with strong punch. And 1 on your chest, shoulder, and front. Bend your knee same time, and straight your knee, high step. Bend your knee, and step, and open, and turn to your left, step. 1, left, 2, and straight. Twist. Short punch, come back. Long punch, powerful. Hi! Stand up. Step your left, palm, fist, punch, head empty stance. Right foot step back, both fist. Step back your left, punch your left. Cross your hand, step left. Open, face together. Step your left. First stance, punch right, come back your waist, punch again. Hand, open, come back your waist. Attack. Left. Push. Go down, finger, finger. Left side. Go. Push, power, right, go down, push, and power. Both hands become palm, up, and down, back to your waist, and straight, and double palm, become fist, and cross, jump, and double fist. Snake hand, step left. Step right, go down with your arm. Punch left, step right, and punch, and come back. Tiger hand, and push palm with low stance. Wait, take, shot, wait, shot, take, shot. Get up, step your right, step left, step your right, both hand right here, and swing, jumping, kick fall. Bend your knee and kick, flat, kick up, hit the floor. Stand up, step your left, mantis hand, pull back. Both hand back to waist, tiger hand, knee lift. Both hand become face, punch left. Punch right, step your left, tiger hand, and jump 1, 2, and turn back. Woo, tiger hand. Stand up, step, palm, and fist, punch, step, kick to the up, down, circle punch, down, circle arm. 1, 2, swing, rotate all the way, come back, first stance. The last one, you swing all the way left and to the right, first stance, palm. High step to the left, both hands become face. 1, 2, blocking, blocking, and punch, kicking, down, punch, and punch. Both hands become tiger hand, and kicking, boom, both palm. Look to the left, jumping, on the floor. Both hands on your shoulder. Step right. Double push palm. Step left. Right. Step left. Double palm. Come back to your waist. And with both steps, punch and blocking. Hey! Stand up. Step your left. Hand all the way up. Step your right. Right hand go down. Left hand go up. Left hand go. 1, 2. Attack. Step your right. Dianxue. Turning. 1, 2. Again. Both hand cross. 1 and 2. Stop. Hand from the top. Push down. Both hands become a fist. Arm wheel. Right, left, right, cross. Both hands cross. Attack. Turning. Left hand. Go punch down. Cross on the top. First steps. Become tiger hand. Circle. Stop your left. And double. Wait. Wait. High step to the right. Kick. Landing punch left. Punch right. With horse stance. Left hand under becomes snake hand. Open. Step your left. Cross your hand and jump by left hand switch. And attack by elbow. Stand up. 1. Punch right. 2. Punch left. Stop your left and punch your right. Stop your right. Stop left. 1 and 2. Cross your hand. Open. Stop. And punch straight. Make sure your left hand on your shoulder. Stand up. Fist. 1, 2. Blocking right. Blocking left. And punch right. Left hand under. Both steps. Attack. Both hand. Cross. Fingers open. From your waist. And push. 1, 2. Shoot. Both hands become fist. Stop your left. 1. Guy. Right arm circle. Go. 1 and 2. Stop your right. Punch. Come back to your left and cross. Dianxue. Turn. Left and right. Stop your right. Both hands on your waist. And double palm to 45 up. High step. Both hands become fist. 1 and 2. Blocking right and left and punch. Both hands come back to your left side. Big circle. Stop and down. Hey. Double palm. 1 fist. 2 right here and 3, 4, 5 and 6. Feet together. Hands down and bow. That's all for today. The Nanquan Black Belt Level 4 full tutorial. Hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed to teaching you as always. So I love you all. I see you in next video. Bye bye.